Hello everyone, welcome to Beer, Bourbon, and Baked Goods. I'm Bourbon Bob and you're not. Well, today we're going to start off with a little Impending Doom West Coast style IPA. 9.5% alcohol by volume, so they're a little stout there, so I'm going to tip back a few of these today and see where it takes us. Today our bourbon is Old Forester, 1897, bottled in bond. Tipping the scale at exactly 100 proof, 50% alcohol. They state here that it's the first bottled bourbon. So we're going to give us a shot. I heard some good things about it, never tried it before. We're going to give it a shot here in a minute. We'll start off with our Build Back Better, put it back the way you found it, dummy glass, our COVID cube, and we'll pop this open. Ah, nice pop there. We'll give us a little pour, give her a try. Maybe not so little pour. Took the spikes right off the COVID cube though. We'll take a look at that in a minute, but we'll give this a shot now. Very smooth. I could see what all the rave was about. I've been hearing a lot of good things, so I figured I'd give it a shot. Our baked good for today is a pina colada truffle. Got some toasted coconut on there, so we're gonna give us a bite. And very delicious, elevated eatables. They do not disappoint. Whew. All right. Well, I'm going to polish off a couple of those Impending Dooms, maybe one more of these. Finish this delicious truffle with the toasted coconut on it, and by the time it hits me, I'm sure I'll be toasted. Well, I want to thank you for joining me. You know what to do. If you like my video, hit the like button. If you don't, well, I really don't care. And remember, everybody, Bidenflation is the cost of voting stupid. Thank you for joining me. We'll see you again real soon.